Magsiswimming na naman kami. Wala na namang tao, yehey. Literally, second day consecutively swimming. And I feel like belly conklin talaga, if you guys know the song. I Turned Pretty. That used to be my favorite book and series. Nagsiswimming na naman kami ni Moy to de-stress from everything. Feeling ko yung nanonood na to, feeling nyo okay lang ako. Okay naman talaga ako, pero I need to de-stress. So, swimming again. Sa swim na siya. Ako magti-tiktok muna kasi ang ganda pa ng hair ko. So, TikTok time! Hi, I'm nasa pool na. And andun si Moy. Yung bobbing head, she's clapping. Nag-exercise kasi siya. And I'll exercise na din in a bit. I just need to breathe. We're done swimming and naka 40 laps. Ay, 40. Naka 30 laps ako. Si Moy pala yung mga more than 40 laps siya. Ako 30 lang. Because I'm a very slow swimmer. Kasi first of all, I don't know how to swim. Like, the vlog that I posted months ago na nag-swimming lessons ako. That's my very first swimming lesson. So, dun para ako natuto mag-swim. Tapos after that, hindi na ulit ako nag-swim. Ngayon na lang ulit. So, please bear with me. Anyway, guys, if you wanna crash out, just swim.
You're burning calories na. Kasi
Yeah.
you can't cry underwater pa.
Yeah. Or even if you cry, di na malalaman ng mga tao yun. Kasi hello. Nakalimutan ko yung towel ko. Paano ako magpapatuyo? I'm so tired. And I just wanna say that I think swimming is my new coping mechanism. I think ito na ang bagong personality trait. Bagong personality trait. Swimming. This is my new exercise hobby-ish, I guess. Because it's very peaceful. Eating at Wendy's while waiting for our parents.
Question ata. What the dog do?
It's 10:30 p.m.
Ano malaman mo?
Off the day.
Hindi ba nanakaw eh, no?
Thank you.
Para sa bahay.
I don't like the link one. This one is the milk chocolate from Switzerland.
Ang pangalan niya.
I like it.
Yung
So
palang
good.
technique. Paano nila yun? Kung tinuloy nila.
This is from Vienna. I said I want Vienna sausage.
Ito, bato nga.
Daddy, tikman mo yun.
Pili ka ng kulay.
It's like fruitcake. Also, look at this. I used to collect this one, but then I stopped. Bonjour, mes amis. Je voudrais un poisson, s'il vous plaît. Hi, it's the day after fetching our parents at airport. Ang number one request ko sa kanila from Europe is this Marvis toothpaste. And nabili nila. I'm so happy. And I didn't expect it to be big. Like, it's so big. Pero yeah, matagal ko na siya gustong matry. Nakita ko siya sa vlogs ni Michelle Joy. So I really wanted to try it. And sabi nila, like, nakakaputi daw ng teeth. So let's see if it's real. And then I also have toothbrush from Muji. Sobrang weird na ito na yung nagpapasaya sa akin. So cute though. Like, kasi you can change the head pa. Hi guys. Look who I'm with. Punta kami kay Soleil. Excited na ako. Ang fresh daw dito sa Laguna. Coming from a North guy.
Ano kay City
North
Boy?
guy, city boy. Hindi siya sanay. Kawawa ka naman.
Bango!
Kawawa ka naman. Hindi mo alam yung amoy ng fresh air.
Ba't ikaw alam mo to?
Hello, buong buhay ko nandito ako. Makita na namin si Sully, pero ang busy niya. So mamaya na lang. Locked in siya.
Kumikita muna siya.
Oo.
Para pambayad mamaya.
Para pambayad. So shopping na siya. Bagay daw ba sa kanya yung black? Nag-fit si ng damit right now. And nandito lang ako naghihintay. If it looks nice on him. Parang may toddler. Hintay namin si Sully.
Pero hindi naman ito pinapansin.
Yan. Bakit ang daming matcha dito? Sa Makati ang konti. Hindi ganito yung tsura ng
Iba nga dito.
flurry sa
Ano to? Nag-basketball kami. Twice a week kami nagpa-practice. Nakakalimutan ako gusto magkwento. Sorry.
Wag tularan as a friend. Mga kaibigan namin ngayon, hindi na nag-update.
Ay, grabe.
Sorry, it looks weird na.
Last one. Lahat na hawak lang. Malinis naman kamay mo eh.
Hi guys. Sorry, medyo dugyot na tignan yung mozzarella sticks namin. Kasi pinag-challenge ako dito sa fried toast na i-open siya. Kaso, hindi ako na-videohan ng isa dyan. Na-videohan niya tapos na. Anyway, I'll eat na. Hintay namin si Soleil. Tapos may only mojito kami. Wow, thank you. Only mojito. Ay, masarap. Masarap yung mojito. Gilas ang alak. Hi guys. Bye guys. Ay, bye. Bye, sorry. Baka iwan na
Okay,
ako.
bye-bye. Uwi ka na mag-isa.
No!
Bye-bye. Mag P2P ka na lang.
Naaway ako ni Ben. Hindi na niya ako ate. This one. This one. So, get one. Get one too. It's so soft. Hi guys, so I just got home and naligo na rin ako. That's why my hair is like this. I'm super duper barefaced. Wala akong anything sa mukha. And as you all know, we went some G kanina and super dami lang binili ko. Pero like, I was buying some stuff. And I wanted to show you some of the things na super natuwa ako. Actually, 3 lang naman yun. Super natuwa ako. Ay, hindi. 4 na super natuwa ako. Kasi, I don't know, siguro adulting na din na natutuwa na ako sa mga house stuff, like mga furniture and all. Ito na. Ang isa sa mga pinaka-natuwa ako is my toothbrush holder. Kailangan nasa table siya before you put it. It's like this. And then, I also bought, first time ko bumili ng skincare products na, like, I never tried it. But it's on sale earlier, so I bought the sunscreen and the toner. This sunscreen, it's SPF 30 and it's 70% off. So I had to try it. It's 187.50. And then this one, I think it's 30% off and it's so big already. It's a light toning water. I wanted to try the anti-aging one kasi hindi ko nag-age na ako. No. Ako, hindi pa naman. And I remember na I bought this thing. It's from Shopee. I bought this thing from Shopee. It's wet pa kasi. I cleaned it kanina. It's like a small water dispenser. I bought it specifically for my toner. Para naman cute, diba? Anyway, ito na lang talaga kasi nagpapasaya sa akin. Mga cute na stuff. Para naman yung everyday ko, hindi ganun ka-dull. Cute yung mga gamit ko. Like, it doesn't have to be expensive naman to make me happy. Cute stuff lang talaga. I really try to incorporate cute stuff sa mga everyday things ko. Para naman, kahit na sobrang boring yung life ko. Or sometimes, it can be draining as well, diba? Our life can be draining. At least, some things, like even this small, can make me happy today. is my first time trying Muji skincare. I don't really try to complicate my skincare. So, if you guys want like a skincare routine, it will be like around 5 minutes long because I don't want to complicate it talaga. And I don't want it to take so much of my time then. I hope bagay siya sa akin. Okay, ganito lang kalain na. Nakakainis na nag-deform siya. I hope this works. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. And then... Oh my gosh. So cute.